How to add multiple email addresses to a contact. Managing multiple email addresses for a single contact ensures comprehensive communication tracking across all their accounts, whether personal, work, or business-related. A contact might have several email addresses. By default, each contact has one email field, but you can create custom CRM fields for additional addresses. Start by navigating to the Templates section and selecting Custom Fields. From the Contacts tab, create a new field. Custom Contact CRM fields let you capture additional details. Select Email as the field type and save. From the Info tab of the Account Profile, review the Contacts section where you'll see all email addresses for linked contacts. To add the new email address to an existing contact, select the contact name, locate your custom field, and enter the secondary email address. Save your changes. Now you can configure this email address with the contact settings it needs. Each email address has its own contact settings. Check Login to give this email portal access, check Notify to enable system notifications, or check Email Sync to receive their emails in TaxDome. You can also check Signatory if this contact should have authority to sign proposals and recurring invoices. Contact settings can be modified in bulk from the Accounts page. Filter your accounts by specific criteria, like those with Email Sync disabled. Select the accounts you want to update. From More Actions, select Edit Login, Notify, Email Sync. Choose whether to enable or disable each setting for all contacts linked to the selected accounts. When enabling Login, you can choose to send invitations immediately. When enabling Notify, you can customize which notification types clients receive. Apply your changes, and you'll receive an inbox plus notification with the results.